For more than 4 decades, BMW's GS Lineup has defined what an adventure motorcycle can be. From the legendary R80 G/S that helped create the large-capacity adventure segment in the early 1980s, to today's high-tech R1300 GS, the GS badge has become synonymous with exploration, durability, and the ability to conquer almost any terrain on Earth. But every few years, BMW takes that philosophy even further with the International GS Trophy, an event often described as the Olympics of adventure riding. Bringing together riders from around the world, the competition pushes both man and machine through mountains, forests, rivers, and rugged trails in some of the toughest conditions imaginable. Now, ahead of the 2026 edition in Romania, BMW Motorrad has unveiled a special machine built specifically for the challenge. The new BMW R12 G/S GS Trophy competition bike. Based on the recently introduced R12 G/S, the competition model combines classic boxer styling with modern adventure technology. Power comes from BMW's proven air and oil-cooled 1,170 cubic centimeters boxer twin, producing 109 horsepower at 7,000 revolutions per minute and 115 newton-meters of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, delivering the low-end punch and smooth power delivery riders expect from a GS. The bike also receives an impressive list of factory equipment. BMW's Comfort Package adds Hill Start Control, Gear Shift Assist Pro, heated grips, and cruise control, while Headlight Pro introduces adaptive cornering lights for improved visibility. Off-road capability is enhanced further with the Enduro Package Pro, which includes dedicated off-road tires, an 18-inch rear wheel, and taller handlebar risers for better control while standing on the pegs. Additional upgrades include engine protection bars, cylinder head guards, a rally cockpit fairing, a 5-liter tank bag, and an Akrapovič exhaust system. Finished in BMW's Lightwhite Uni paint scheme with bold red graphics and a striking red seat, the new machine looks every bit the factory rally bike. The 2026 BMW International GS Trophy takes place from September 13th to 18th in Romania, where competitors will tackle mountain passes, forests, rivers, and remote villages. And if this special R12 G/S performs as expected,